Got another ball wheel belt to do. Somebody may have started this one for us. I'm not entirely sure. The idler's already halfway off. So, someone may have been here before us. Let's see. Yeah. These are just hand tight, so. Alright, well that was easy. No tools required. Not typically a good thing. So we've done a ball wheel belt a couple of times before. But that's what's on our list today, so we're gonna cover it again, I guess. Alright, cross drive belt is off. Motor to gearbox belt is coming off. Motor to elevator belt is coming off. And this is a swinging mount. So that motor's gonna move. And the belt is stuck on the wrong side. Dang it. Alright, there's always a solution. I don't know if I have enough strength to get that belt off or out. I may have to climb up on top of the machine to do that. That's okay. We can do that. We don't have to do it right now. That bolt needs to come out. It's missing a bolt right there. That's unfortunate. Well, the good news is it's already loose as well. They've got another machine with a ball wheel belt on their to-do list today. So this won't be the only one I do today, but it will be the only one I'm going to get on camera. Guide rollers. Since we're standing up here, let's loosen some guide rollers. Have to go the proper direction here. Here. Ding. Ding. Guide roller's loose there. Yeah, the batteries are starting to get low on this power ratchet. Oh well. There we go. Oh, those threads are all chewed up too. Even better. Okay. Set that down. Our ball wheel's loose. That's loose. We need to drop the cross conveyor. So we're gonna, let me swing you guys over just a little bit. So the round belt is coming off. The long turret drive belt spring is coming off. If I can get it. Wow. Crazy bend on that. Alright. Belt is dropped. Now we gotta take it off of the idler. Just gonna let it flop around right there. Get this out of our way. Alright, so that's off. That's coming out. Yeah, this round belt's in pretty bad shape. They've got a bunch more that just came in, so we're going to throw that belt on the floor, and when we're ready, we're going to bring a brand new belt in. Next step is going to be, if I can get my baby impact in here. Do I need, maybe I need a longer extension. Let's swap that out. Get clearance on that track. If this doesn't work, then we can upgrade to bigger impact. Yeah. See if you guys there, maybe. Is this gonna work? Yes. Glad I bought the deep well socket. This bolt's really long on here. All right. Track bolt's coming out. Maybe. There we go. One was a little stuck. Got the front side as well. Alright, brace is out of the way. Shim washers are out. Set these aside. Yeah. Let's take our cross conveyor down on the back side. That a little bigger than I wanted. We're not going to take these bolts off yet. We want to loosen them up. So we still have the spring holding the turn pan in place. So let me grab vice grips. I have baby needle nose vice grips that I like to use for this. Let go. Thank you. Okay. Put that spring right there. Now we should be able to remove our J-bolt nuts. Carefully, carefully. Holding the pulley housing up with my right hand so that I don't have the weight of the cross conveyor on that nut. Oh, there we go. Little wiggle. Come out, please. Thank you. There we go. Not too bad. Part of this is going to go fairly fast because we don't have to worry about unthreading the old belt. It's already gone. I'm checking to make sure that I'm not going to have a motor drop in my lap again. Because I did one of these ball wheel belts I don't know, it was a month ago-ish. Yeah, let me bring you guys in. So the bolt that holds the motor had come loose. It was only hanging on by a thread, and when I went to take the the bolt off on the back side of the motor shaft, the whole thing dropped on me. And these motors are pretty heavy. It was not fun times. Alright, now we get to climb up. In a perfect world, I try and do this so that I'm only going up on top of the machine once. Just to be super efficient. So we're gonna, I don't know if we need the impact, probably not. We've got speed wrenches. We're going to remove the front bolt on this motor swing shaft, and the belt's going to thread through at that point. Also a good time to extract our motor to gearbox belt or elevator belt and unplug the motor. This is already gearing up to be precarious. Not to worry. I think that we are semi-safe here. Alright, we don't have a motor on the floor. That was my main worry. Get this thing untangled here. That's not working as intended. There we go. We're untangled. We're going to thread our belt in between our motor mount. We're going to go over the motor and get our bolt back in as quickly as possible so that we are safe. Don't forget to plug your motor back in, or you will be making a second trip up needlessly. Always worried about hitting my head, because some stops are low clearance. Now that we've got our belt around the motor, we're going to bring it in the rest of the way. I'm probably standing right in front of the camera too. Uh-oh. I did the same thing I did before. I've got the belt around. The belt was pinched in between the motor and the idler pulleys for the long turret drive belt. That's okay. We're there now. So we're going to start here. We're going to lift our ball wheel up and get the belt in the groove of the lower 10-pin side pulley. Maybe. What's going on here? Oh, I see. We're stuck between the pit conveyor board and the frame there. Ding. Alright, now we're on. Perfect. Let's go under our guide roller. Yeah, you guys are out of frame, dude. Horrible. So the belt went on the outside of the ball wheel at that point. We're going to bring it around through our cross conveyor. We're going to go between the turn pan and the cross conveyor. Swing you guys over. Next step is going to be between the ball track and lift rod support. Okay. The bottom side of this belt needs to go on the pit conveyor idler pulley. This one looks like we've got plenty of room. This is probably out of frame. I apologize. That's the widest angle lens this camera has on this setting. It's getting stuck. Why am I getting stuck? I don't know. Let's reposition. It's still not ideal, but just bringing the ball wheel belt in through these components. We are a little stuck down here, and that's because the drive belt for the pit conveyor is still attached and tensioned up. So we need to remove that tension. If I can find my Allen wrenches. Hold on, technical difficulties. Swing it around. Now you can see what's going on a little better. This thing's under tension. We've got to back that screw out just enough that we can get our belt off. I know. It's so dirty. You got all this belt dust. Yep, it sure is. I'm here one day a week. The day-to-day maintenance and upkeep and cleanliness is supposed to be getting done by their team. Some stuff is getting done. Could it be better? Yeah. Am I going to let that get in my way of doing this right now? No. Alright. We can pivot that idler now. Now that we're able to move that, we should be able to create a little more room to get our belt in here. There it goes. Alright, belt is in the groove. What? Oh, here. We'll come back to this. The rest of this belt needs to get routed up properly. So let's jump back up to the top. Alright, you guys are in a little bit better of a spot to see how we're going to do this. So this belt is going to come up. Hold on, I'm stuck again somewhere. Alright, I think we're sort of good. We good? We're not good? I don't know. Something is a little off here. I don't know if I've got a kink in the belt somewhere. Well, either way, we've got some slack. We're going to go over. Dropped it. Yeah. Hopefully don't get my arms too much in the way. This particular project seems to be fighting back a little more than normal. There we go. New belt is going to slide in here. Bang! Loud noises, sorry. But the belt's on. We're going to verify we don't have any twists in the belt, and that we're seated in all of the grooves. So the lower 10-side pulley, ball wheel roller, pardon me, has a groove in it that the belt needs to rest in. It's going to go in between the two guide rollers of the upper 10-pin ball wheel guide roller assembly. This is looking good. our belt is officially on. Now we just have to put all these pieces back together. We're going to start bringing in our ball wheel belt tensioner and the one bolt that was holding this frame leg together. They might have hardware somewhere. We'll have to look. We'll make a note, and if they have some hardware, we can come and bring that bolt back in. Additionally, they don't have spare parts made up for these idlers. I like to bring a new rebuilt one with me every single ball wheel belt that I do, or at least when I was on A2s full time, that's what I would do. Like I said before, long story, not worth repeating myself over and over and over again about. I'm only here one day a week. Hold on, we were going backwards there. Yeah, that one hurt a little bit. That's okay. I'll get over it. Frame bolt. Extremely tight as well. Switch up power ratchet. Reverse rotation. Let's not find out again the hard way. Applying pressure against the ball wheel. Awkward position. Tight. Tight. Swing you guys over a little bit. Maybe. Maybe. Shaky, shaky. Oh, gravity. I hope you guys are okay. That was a pretty big fall you guys took. Let me know if you got anybody has any bruised feelings. We'll get them band-aided up for you. That one's good. Yeah, I was worried that could have been pretty dangerous for my phone there. All right, let's get our ball wheel belt tension back on. Now that we've got all our guide rollers set, some people can do this, some people can't. Big push. And we're on. I have a height advantage that I think a lot of other people. We're going to bring our ball track bolts in. Where is, yep, extension, longer extension. Yeah, some people like to brag that they can do these in, I can do this in 15 minutes, I can do it in 20 minutes, and you know, I'm sure some people can. I'm not worried about how long it takes me. I'm worried about not skipping any steps and making sure that I'm doing a good job. Well, the way it goes, you can have it done quick, you can have it done cheap, or you can have it done good. You get to pick two. You can only do two out of those three options for any job. You can't have all three. Oh, I've located this in the wrong hole. See? Take your time. Stop yammering. Oh my goodness, why is this? No, I had it correct. My caffeine levels are dwindling. I've got my bolts mixed around here. The super long bolt went in the back. Okay. That was a difficult one to locate. Weird. I usually go a little smoother than that, but that's fine. Alright, ball track. A little more awkward with a turn pan in your way. Say that one's tight now. That's definitely tight. What is this? Oh, those are my J-bolt nuts. Well, let's move that way. We're going to need our cross conveyor, or our turn pan spring, pardon me. Which way? We need to go that way. I did not leave the baby vice grips down here on the floor. There we go. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Pause. Well, you guys missed a significant portion of reassembly because we had a visitor. So we were chatting and talking, and I was working and wasn't paying attention, and I was in the middle of actually trying to make the ball wheel belt changing video number 2. Yeah, cross conveyors back up, J-bolts are tight, track's tight, guide rollers are on, cross conveyor round belt's back in. We're at the point that we are ready to fire it up. So, loud noise warning, this is lane 30. We know 30's pit is bad, so be warned. tracking's looking good. We're gonna go ahead and close this one out. And Sunday we're gonna do a pit on this lane as well. That day is not today. Thank you very much.